The war in Ukraine has been ongoing for over 482 days now. It has become one of the most defining conflicts of the 21st century. Beyond the tragedy and destruction, the war has reshaped geopolitics, challenged assumptions about modern warfare, and left the world with lessons that will echo for decades. Here are 7 valuable lessons learned from the war in Ukraine so far. Lesson 1. Conventional warfare is not obsolete. For years, many analysts believed that large-scale, tank-driven, artillery-heavy wars were a thing of the past. The Cold War era and the war in Ukraine proved otherwise. Massive troop movements, trench warfare, and artillery duels dominate the battlefield. The invasion of Ukraine shows that despite technological advancements, conventional warfare remains very real. This conflict reminds the world that traditional military tactics and strategies still hold significant weight on the modern battlefield, even in an age where cyber threats and drones play an increasingly important role. The war in Ukraine demonstrates that armies still need to invest in robust ground forces, air defenses, and strong offensive capabilities. It is a reminder that while adapting to new technologies is crucial, neglecting conventional warfare could leave nations vulnerable in an interconnected world. Lesson 2. Technology and innovation shape the battlefield. While tanks and artillery are central, technology has changed the rules. Cheap drones, satellite intelligence, and precision-guided weapons have tipped the balance in many battles. Ukraine's ability to use commercial drones for reconnaissance and strikes shows how innovation can level the playing field against a larger opponent. Drones provide real-time intel on enemy positions, allowing for more effective targeting. They also offer a low-cost, low-risk way to gather intelligence compared to manned aircraft. The use of commercial drones like the Turkish TB2 south by Ukraine has been particularly impactful, demonstrating the effectiveness of such platforms. These drones offer a cost-effective solution for intelligence gathering and can be used to identify and target enemy vehicles, artillery, and troop concentrations. Moreover, the increasing availability of high-resolution satellite imagery allows both sides to monitor troop movements, assess damage, and plan their strategies. This technological edge highlights the importance of incorporating cutting-edge innovations into military strategies and underscores the significance of exploiting available resources to gain an advantage in modern warfare. Lesson 3. Logistics can make or break military campaigns. Military history has always taught us that supply lines win or lose wars. In Ukraine, Russia's early failures were tied to broken logistics, fuel shortages, food problems, and equipment stuck in the mud. On the other hand, Ukraine's survival depends heavily on Western supply chains for ammunition, weapons, and aid. As the war continues, maintaining the flow of supplies becomes a critical factor determining the outcome. Effective logistics entail not just delivering supplies, but doing so rapidly and reliably. It involves managing fuel, food, ammunition, medical supplies, and spare parts efficiently. A breakdown in any segment can significantly impact a military campaign. The war in Ukraine serves as a stark reminder that investing in robust logistics is essential. It involves planning ahead, diversifying supply routes, and adopting flexible strategies to counter potential disruptions. Nations need to recognize that a secure supply chain is not merely a supporting element, but a decisive factor in modern warfare. Lesson 4. Morale and willpower can be as important as firepower. Ukrainian resistance showed the world that morale can stop even a stronger adversary. Citizens turned into soldiers. Leaders refused to flee, and entire towns resisted occupation. The bravery and determination of the Ukrainian people have been pivotal in their defense against Russian aggression. In the face of a more powerful and larger military force, Ukrainians' unwavering commitment to their homeland has made a significant impact. The sense of unity and national identity has played a crucial role in sustaining their fight. Furthermore, the presence of strong leadership that has inspired and rallied the population has been instrumental in maintaining morale and resolve. The willingness to resist occupation and the decision of President Zelensky and other leaders to stay in Ukraine during the conflict have had a galvanizing effect on the population. The role of civil-military cooperation has also been significant, with civilians actively participating in the defense effort, whether through military service, volunteering, or acts of civil disobedience. Their contributions have bolstered Ukraine's resilience. The Ukrainian experience highlights the often overlooked aspect of willpower and morale in shaping the outcome of conflicts. It serves as a reminder that military strength is not solely determined by the size or firepower of an army, but also by the courage, determination, and unity of a nation. Lesson 5. Information is truly a weapon. The war in Ukraine extends beyond the physical battlefield. It's also being fought in the realm of information and perceptions. Both sides have engaged in extensive propaganda efforts and disinformation campaigns aimed at shaping public opinion and garnering international support. Russia's information warfare has included portraying the conflict as a special military operation aimed at denazification and demilitarization, while Ukraine has emphasized themes of resisting aggression and defending democracy. The information war has been intense, with both sides accusing each other of war crimes and targeting civilian populations. Ukraine has leveraged social media effectively to project its narrative globally, garnering widespread sympathy and support. Conversely, Russia has faced challenges in countering Ukraine's online campaign, which has resonated with a broader international audience. The war in Ukraine showcases the significance of strategic communication and the power of information as a weapon. It highlights the importance of effective messaging and the potential consequences of information dominance in shaping the perception of conflicts. Lesson 6. Global security is interconnected. The war in Ukraine is not a regional issue. It has sent ripples across the globe. Energy shortages, grain crises, and rising military spending are felt across continents. What happens in one part of the world can destabilize food supplies elsewhere. The war has disrupted supply chains, leading to shortages and price hikes. The conflict has raised energy prices, impacting economies worldwide. The disruption of Ukraine's agricultural exports has contributed to global food shortages. The war serves as a reminder that nations are interconnected, and security challenges in one region can quickly evolve into global issues. It underscores the need for international cooperation and diversification of resources to mitigate risks and build more resilient systems. Lesson 7. Alliances and unity are powerful. One of the most important lessons from the war in Ukraine is the strength that comes from alliances and unity. The collective support provided by NATO, the European Union, and other international partners has been instrumental in bolstering Ukraine's defense capabilities. Military aid, intelligence sharing, and economic sanctions have all contributed to Ukraine's ability to resist Russian aggression. NATO's open-door policy has been a unifying force, promising membership to aspiring nations based on their democratic progress. This solidarity has deterred potential aggression and fostered cooperation among member states. The war in Ukraine has demonstrated that a united and coordinated international response can effectively counter aggression and uphold shared values. It has highlighted the importance of multilateralism and diplomacy in maintaining global stability and security. In conclusion, the war in Ukraine is a stark reminder of the realities of modern warfare. It's a conflict that transcends the battlefield, touching upon aspects of technology, strategy, diplomacy, and the human spirit. As we continue to witness the unfolding events in Ukraine, it is essential to reflect on these valuable lessons. By learning from this conflict, nations and international organizations can better prepare for future challenges, strengthen alliances, and develop more effective strategies to promote peace and security. Remember, understanding and adapting to the lessons of today's conflicts are crucial for building a safer and more stable tomorrow. Your thoughts and opinions matter. Join the discussion by dropping your comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. If you found this video insightful, don't miss out on future updates. Stay tuned for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.